Yes, hello guys. On this video, let's talk about the primitive methods. Let me clear the board. Actually, there is um, primitive has their own methods, and automation field. I have to, for example, um, two lower case this this primitive type method, and then we have card art, and then we have substring, a few that I have used. Substring, sorry, substring, and then maybe toString. Yeah, toString. You see, so let me clear the board again. And then, so despite the fact that the primitive methods, they are primitive types, actually. So despite the fact that they are primitive type, I mean strings, number, boolean, and booleans actually have their, I mean, their methods. So the null and undefined types have no methods. So like string particularly, they have a numerous method to help you work with them. For example, um, let's say I type the name var name put your name here. I don't know your name, and semicolon, and then I say var to excuse me to to lowercase e equal to name dot to lowercase. Okay, so if I console out console.log and then put the name, I mean the two to lowercase here, and then enter, you see your name here. But actually this name, I should have put the name into uppercase. Then okay, but let's convert this to let's put like this, console dot log, and then actually you can, I think you can run the method inside here. You can just write the you can just write to, okay, because I type to lowercase, I'm just want to use to lower case equal to name dot to uppercase, and see what will happen. So it's giving me other stuff because I tried to confuse it. But anyway, let's see, write another variable and say, okay, name, I mean to var to upper to uppercase is equal to name dot to uppercase. You see, so if I type console.login and then send it, use the variable to uppercase, so you see you get your name, the name that we type over there. So these are like few
Bye bye.
few methods that they can be used by primitive, but I think there are other methods that you can use. So despite the fact that they have method, primitive value themselves are not objects. So JavaScript makes them look like object to provide a consistent experience in a language, as you see as you see like when I'm talking about the reference types. But for now, I think that was the primitive types. So the next tutorial we are going to talk about the reference type. So thank you, and remember, subscribe and